It's a flat start. It's a very, very flat start for benchmark indices. I mean, a flat start these days is honestly a rarity. But today we have a virtual straight line for the Nifty and a straight line for the Sensex and a straight line for the Bank Nifty also. That just tells you that the action is really shifting away from large cap stocks. I'm going to stay with large cap stocks before we move into mid cap stocks. For the moment, all the three important indices are hugging on to the flat line. Okay, let's look at individual stocks. Shall we start with metals? Let's do that, because metals clearly have been in focus, they've been in demand, and they are not sizzling in trade today, but there's a rub of green for Sterlite, Tata Steel, SAIL, Hindalco. The three big ones, Hindustan Zinc also not far behind. So metals are off to a decent start. Now let's look at IT, the weak link in this market. IT is suffering, and IT is suffering because of over ownership and no recovery. Everyone is in a mood to offload IT. No big cuts, but the bias is negative. What about private banks and to PSU banks? It's been a volatile week for banks. ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank have got ex-dividend, so don't read too much into the first print. SBI has a flat rate and PNB is at 995, absolutely flat. So flat is the word, and it's a flat start for just about everything today. Asha?
Oh yes, it is. Idea meantime is set to raise about 3,000 to 3,750 crore rupees by selling its shares by QIP today. The QIP price range has been set at 135 to 140 bucks. Idea has started off with a gain of about almost 0.5% or so. Watch out for Maruti, considering the backward Gujarat government, the company says, for the new unit is going to stand. They've committed about almost 4,000 crore rupees as an investment to the Gujarat government. Maruti has kick-started with a gain of about almost 1.5%. Reliance Capital, and they too have sought a shareholder nod for a QIP, so watch out for these as well. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, by the way, they go ex-dividend today, so watch out for the price adjustments in both these names. Strides Arcolab has got a US FDA okay for a couple of tablets. IDFC meantime is planning a share sale to bring down their foreign holding. IDFC has kick-started with a gain of about almost 2%. So yes, in pockets you do have a fair amount of strength coming in.